Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to share how to navigate and use the Bed Management Report. The Bed Management Report offers a detailed overview of the current bed occupancy status within the hospital. This report is essential for hospital administrators, nurses, and practitioners to efficiently manage bed allocation, monitor patient flow, and ensure timely care. It aids in optimizing bed utilization, streamlining patient transfers, and maintaining accurate records. In this video, we will start on the Case Management screen. For more information regarding the Case Management screen, please refer to the Case Management screen Navigation and Use user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Bed Management tab to open the Bed Management screen. For more information regarding the Bed Management screen, please refer to the Bed Management screen Navigation and Use user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Bed Report button to open the Bed Report screen. Please note that the beds, rooms and wards that appear on this report are set up in the desktop app. For more information regarding how to set up the wards, rooms and beds, please refer to the Bed Setup user manual linked in this video's description. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections displayed on the screen. The Filters section consists of functionalities that allow you to narrow down or refine the results displayed on the screen. Click on the Filter drop-down menu to select how the screen will be filtered. Kindly note that for this specific screen, only the default filter option will be available. Complete the patient name and surname within their respective fields. To select the desired wards to filter to, click on the wards drop-down menu and make your selection. Please note that the wards that appear on this list are determined by the setup that was done initially. Click on the Rooms drop-down menu to select the desired room for filtering the list. You can either tick the desired options or enter the relevant room names in the Filter Options field. As like before, the rooms that appear on this list are determined by the setup that was initially done. Click on the Bed Description field to enter the name of the bed you are searching for. To search the desired bed types to filter to, click on the Bed Types drop-down menu and make your selection. Click on the Bed Status drop-down menu and select the preferred bed status by which the list will be filtered. To select the desired treating practitioners to filter to, click on the Treating Practitioners drop-down menu and choose the applicable options. Please note that the practitioners on the list displayed are all the treating practitioners loaded onto your system. For more information regarding how to set up new practitioners, please refer to the How to Create a New Practitioner user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Case Number field and enter the case number you are searching for. Click on the From and To drop-down menus on the Admission Date field to select the dates on the date picker of when the patient was admitted to the facility. You can alternatively enter the dates in their respective fields manually for this section, as well as the sections to follow. Next, click on the From and To drop-down menus of the Transfer Date field to select the dates on the date picker of when the patient was transferred to their facility. Click on the From and To drop-down menus of the Reserve Date field to select the dates on the date picker of when the bed was reserved. Once satisfied with the information completed, click on the Update Results button. If you wish to clear the filters you completed, click on the Reset Filters button. We will now go over the list screen buttons located at the top right of the screen. Click on the Expand Widths button to auto-fit the columns width to the information within all columns. Click on the Reset Widths button to restore the original widths after any modifications were made. Click on the Sort Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. For more information regarding how the Sort Column feature works, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Report and List Screens user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Columns button to select the columns that will be displayed on the list. For more information regarding how the Choose Column feature works, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screens user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Default Layout drop-down menu to select the type of layout that will be used for the screen. All the information on the Bed Report screen is divided into columns to logically group related information together. Next, we will go over the Page option buttons located at the bottom of the list screen. You are able to click on the Next and Previous buttons to navigate between pages. You can also click on the desired page number to quickly navigate to the selected page. Click on the Items drop-down menu to select the number of items that will be displayed on the screen. Once the desired filter results have been selected, click on the Export to PDF button to save the filtered results as a PDF file. Also, to download the desired results as a CSV file, click on the Export to CSV button.